To disable applications on Samsung A07, open the settings for the first, and right now you have to scroll down and open Apps Settings. Now let's say that I want to block some kind of the application, for example the calendar. This is not this one, but maybe something different. We can try to do that with the Google Drive. It's not here. So I believe that it will be available in some Samsung applications that we should find somewhere here, like for example the Samsung Cloud. As you can see here, we can find that disable button, but also for some of the apps it's grayed out, but some of them actually got this feature enabled. So we have to actually find application where we can actually do this. But as you can see, it's not actually supported for every application. For example, for the Google Photos, as you can see, we can do that.